How to get insanely rich with compounding plus buy borrow die strategy, step by step. Hey everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be a game changer. If you have a normal job and still want to build serious wealth, this one is specially made for you. Imagine this. Rich people barely pay taxes, yet they always have cash when they need it. And when they pass away, their children inherit everything almost tax-free. Meanwhile, normal people work their entire lives and still pay heavy taxes. But what if I told you that regular people like you and me can also use the exact same strategy that millionaires use to get insanely rich? So here is my question for you. Do you want your money to work hard for you, instead of you working hard for money your whole life? If your answer is yes, then stay with me till the end. And if you're excited, smash that like button right now. Friends, the powerful strategy I'm sharing today is called compounding plus buy borrow die. First, let's understand compounding. Compounding is called the eighth wonder of the world for a reason. If you invest consistently and give it time, your money can grow massively. For example, invest $10,000 at 10% annual return. After 20 years, around $67,000. After 30 years, around $174,000. After 40 years, over $450,000. The S&P 500 has historically given about 10% average return. Time and consistency are the real keys. Now, the real secret of wealthy people is the buy borrow die strategy. Buy, purchase high-quality appreciating assets, like S&P 500 index funds or rental properties. Borrow, when you need money, borrow against your assets instead of selling them, this way you get tax-free cash. Die, when you pass away, your heirs get a stepped-up cost basis, which means almost zero capital gains tax. This strategy allows you to enjoy your wealth while you're alive and still pass on maximum wealth to the next generation. If you're learning something valuable and you want to get rich, hit the like button right now and drop a comment saying "I'm ready to get rich," fire emoji. So here's your complete step-by-step plan. Build a solid emergency fund, 3 to 6 months of expenses. Pay off all high-interest debt, credit cards, etc. Start investing consistently in low-cost index funds. Max out your tax-advantaged accounts. Once your portfolio grows, start using the buy borrow die strategy. Stay consistent. Be patient. Don't get greedy. If you follow this plan, one day you'll be the person who has both freedom and wealth, and a legacy for your family. If you enjoyed this video, please like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe with the bell icon turned on. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Take care and keep growing.